Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Alright, so we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the recommended method when we have access to the phone is a simple reboot from the power menu. As you can see, the phone is responsive, everything works. So to restart this device, let's tap the power button and the volume down button to launch the power menu. Sorry, we need to hold. Now tap, okay. And now, as you can see, we have this restart button on the top right corner. Simply click on that, now tap again, and then your phone will be restarted. Simply wait, I don't know, to 1 minute, and your phone will be ready to use. And the second method, just like I have said, is a forced restart, and this method is recommended, for example, when the phone is unresponsive, it's lagged, and it's not working properly. So we need to hold the power button and the volume down button until the screen goes black. So let me show you how to do it. Simply hold both of the buttons. You can see that the power menu launched, but we need to keep on holding both of those buttons. Alright, the screen went black. Now we can release our fingers, and now we need to simply wait until our device will be turned on. Within a few seconds, the Samsung logo should appear on the screen, and that will mean, as you can see, that the phone is being restarted right now. And within a few seconds it will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.